Hello everyone, this is Shalonda, your favorite crafter from Sassy Southern Flair, which is an offspin of She Creates. On today's episode, we're going to learn how to use the clipping mask in Photoshop. And basically all that clipping mask is, you know how when you see a word and you see pictures that's made out of the word, that's what we're going to use. This is great for using when you're creating sublimation products and you're no longer using Design Space and you're printing from out of Photoshop. So with this right here, you're able to create your design without trying to figure out how to create it into an SVG in Design Space because you will have it here. Please excuse the noise in the background. Those are my children. Right now is probably not a good time for me to be recording. So I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into it. If you look on your left-hand panel of your Tools section, you'll see a tab where you are able to type your text. That's your text, and it's usually a letter. I'm going to type the word grad, and then I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to click on these arrows up top here. It's called the Move tool, and it's just so that it highlights all of it. I'm going to hold my Control key and put it right here, so that I can stretch my grad out. Alright, so now that I have the word grad stretched out, if you look up top for your check mark, you're just going to click on that, and that's going to set your words in place. We're going to go to our photo album, and I have some pictures already in a folder of a graduate that I had some pictures of, some products I was creating, and I'm going to drop her right here on top. And you want to make sure that your picture covers the word completely. And you can check to make sure that it covers it completely by going over here to the opacity button. And you can just turn it down all the way so that you can kind of like see through it. And then that way you'll know where your picture is going to be placed at, okay? So that's just a quick reminder. So I'm going to click on our check mark up here again. Go to your layers panel, which is over here on your right hand side, and put your mouse over it and right click. A window is going to pop up, and we're going to go to create clipping mask, and voila. When you create the clipping mask, it clips the picture there. You can move her around. I think I'm going to put her right here where she's on that A. And that is it. And if I want to create it and make it one layer, I can click on grad. I can hit the control button and hit on the layer with the picture in it. Right click, merge layers, and now I have one layer. So I have grad, and I can, up top can put the word 2018. And I can have that in a fancy font if I like. Let's see what I have over here that would be kind of fancy. Sunshine, maybe. May give me a little fanciness to it. You can put it here. You can change that color. If I want to change the color of it, I can go right here. And if I want it to be like this garnet, that's the color that's in there, I just click on it. And that's pretty much it. But this lesson was not to do a tutorial on designing. It was basically to show you how to use the clipping mask in Photoshop when you are creating your sublimation products. Thank you for tuning in with Shalonda from She Creates, also known as Sassy Southern Flair. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so to stay updated with more crafting projects to come. Thank you.